Good day, viewers at home. This is on addition in other bases. We are familiar with addition of numbers in base 10 because all the numbers we make use of every day and in base 10. So if you have something like say 15 plus 28, we say 5 plus 8 is 13. Then we usually write 3 and carry 1. Then we now add this, we get 4. But the logic behind writing 3 and carrying 1 is because we are dealing with base 10. So there is no number that should be up to 10 when we are dealing with base 10. So any base that you have, the highest figure there must not be up to the base. So that means if you have base 6, the highest figure should be 5. If you have base 4, the highest figure should be 3. If you have base 9, the highest figure should be 8, and so on. So that is why whenever we add and we get anything that is 10 or more than, we usually divide by 10. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 divided by 10 is 1 with the remainder of 3. So we write the remainder and we take the quotient to the other side. So that is why we are always saying 5 plus 8, 3, carry 1. So we apply the same method to other bases. Whenever you are dealing with any base and you get something that is up to or more than the base, you take the remainder and then the quotient will go to the other. 1 plus 0 is 1. I'm writing 1 because 1 is not up to the base 2. 0 plus 1 is also 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I have something that is up to the base I'm dealing with. So because I have 2 and I'm dealing with base 2, it means if I divide my 2 by the base, it's going to give me 1 and the remainder of 0. So I'm going to write this remainder 0. Then this 1, I'll bring it in. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3, which is more than the base. So 3 divided by 2 will give me 1 and the remainder of 1. I'll write this remainder of 1, then this other one, I'll put it here. So that is how we treat numbers in base 2. The same thing is applicable to numbers in base 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is already more than the base. So if I divide 5 by this base, which is 4, I get 1 remainder 1. I'll take this 1 here, then this other one will come here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. This 4 is already up to the base. So if I divide it by the base, it will give me 1 remainder 0. I'll put 0 here, and I'll take the 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. I can write the 2 because it's not up to 4. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 is bigger than 4, so I'll have to go through the same process here. Divide it by the base, 4. That is 1 remainder 1. So I'll write the remainder 1, then this other one will be here, since there's no other thing for me to add. Let's take a number in base 8. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is more than the base. So we divide that 9 by 8. We have 1 remainder 1. So I'll write this remainder 1 and take this 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2, 4. So I can write the 4 since it's not up to the base. 5 plus 4 again is 9, which is still the same thing here. We divide it by the base. We get 1 remainder 1. We keep 1 here and write the other one. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. That 8 is already up to the base. So I can't write 8. I have to divide it by 8. That is 1 remainder 0. I'll write this remainder 0 first. Then this other one, I'll bring it here because there's no other thing for me to add. So our answer is in base 8. This is in base 4. The last one is on base 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'll divide 3 by 3. 1 remainder 0. I write 0. I take 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 4. 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. This 5 is bigger than the base. 5 divided by 3, 1 remainder 2. I'll write the remainder of 2. Then I'll take the 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Remember, I cannot write 3 when I'm dealing with base 3. So I'll divide it by 3. I'll get 1 in the 0. I write it in the 0, then the other one, I'll put it here. So this is how to add numbers in other bases, different from base 10. Thank you.